Welcome to S on the Incy alphabet, bite-sized lettering tutorials for your busy life. S is another letter that can have so many variations. And as we're getting close to the end of the alphabet, I want to encourage you not just to do your letters the same way you've always done them. So let's look at how you can change up one letter to get so many different options. A regular S would have the top and the bottom with similar weight so that your letter goes from one side to another. Now you can also vary that by having your top larger than your bottom or by having your bottom larger than your top. I find it helpful sometimes to draw in some of these guidelines of circles to give you those shapes so that you can see a little bit more what you can do with your letter. You can also take your circles and flatten them or stretch them out. For today, all I want you to do is try creating these 5 different types of S's. Draw your circles, small or large, oval or pulled out, and find which S you think suits you and the way that you like to letter the best. Do you like to letter in a playful manner? Do you like for your letters to be a little bit more simple? Or what about nice and tall and skinny? Or do you just like to bring things that are totally different? Which S is for you? Next day, we're going to look at adding other things onto the S, ways to use the endings of the S to embellish it even further with things like flourishing or even serif endings to make it look even more special.